Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video I'll show you how to use translator application on this device. First of all, let's open Google Translate application, and first of all you want to select your first language and then here the language that you want to translate into. Simply tap on the language and here you will see a list of languages. Okay, so now if you want to translate something, then here simply enter the word or expression that you want to translate, and here below you will see translation. Okay, next thing that you can try is conversation mode. So here below you will see conversation section, and this allows you to translate in real time, speech to speech. Additionally, the same process, you have to select the first language and then the language that you want to translate into, and then press button start new conversation. Last but not least is camera translation. Go to capture section at the bottom side of the screen, and then you want to hold your phone up to some words that you would like to translate. It could be in, for example, documents or in menu or outside on the streets, and then the application will instantly translate you what you need in real time. As well, you can upload photo here if you want to translate something. So that's how you can use translate application on your HMD Arc phone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.